Alright, so I'm out here at County Road 658 here in Notasulga, Alabama. As you can see, there is an upgrade here, which is a bit unfortunate because this had been the only GE electronic bell in the state, as far as I'm aware. But now it's this crossing is an NEG electronic bell. I'm guessing the GE must have died, which is a shame. Again, still southbound coming. Haven't heard anything about it though. Well, as far as I'm aware anyways, they're still southbound coming. But yeah, certainly the northbound I'd seen earlier, it's still sitting in the sign. As you can see, the signals up there are still red. But yeah, still a shame to see that the GE here is gone. Glad I was able to record it when I did. This, as you can see though, both signals actually do still retain their original fiberglass gate arms, which is nice to see. So yeah, just a quick update here at County Road 658 in Notasulga, Alabama. Over and out.